When to metaphysically cleanse your home to remove negative energy. Best times for maximum impact. Hello everyone and welcome. Cleansing your home energetically fosters joy and peace. Just as decluttering brings joy, cleansing allows positive energy to flow. Tune into natural rhythms to enhance cleansing rituals. From lunar cycles to daily energy shifts, there are ideal moments to cleanse your space. In this video, we'll uncover the most powerful times to cleanse your home for maximum benefit. Lunar phases. Harnessing the power of the moon. Have you ever noticed how the moon's gentle light seems to influence the tides and even our emotions? Just as the moon's gravitational pull affects the ocean, it also impacts the energy within and around us. The full moon, with its radiant glow, is a powerful time for releasing. Just as the moon releases its fullness, we too can release what no longer serves us. Negative thoughts, stagnant energy, or past hurts. Think of it as a beautiful, energetic decluttering under the moon's soft light. On the other hand, energy cleansing your home during the new moon symbolizes new beginnings. It's a time to plant seeds of intention, much like a gardener prepares the soil for a new season of growth. This is when we invite fresh energy and set our sights on what we want to manifest in our lives. By aligning our cleansing rituals with these lunar phases, we tap into a powerful natural force, amplifying our intentions and deepening our connection to the rhythms of nature. Time of day. Discovering your ideal cleansing routine. Just as the moon influences us, the sun also provides its own rhythm for cleansing. Many individuals, myself included, find that the early morning or late evening hours offer a unique stillness. The morning, as the world awakens, is a perfect time to set a positive tone for the day. Picture opening your windows, letting in the fresh air, and cleansing your space as the sun rises. It's a wonderful way to invite clarity and focus into your day. As the sun begins to set, the evening offers a chance to release the day's accumulated energy. Whether you had a challenging day or a joyful one, an evening ritual cleanse can help you create a sense of peace and tranquility before you sleep. Trust your intuition and experiment with different times of day to find what resonates most with you. You might be surprised at how these simple rituals can transform your daily experience. Chapter 4. Embracing renewal and transformation when energetically clearing one's space. Nature is constantly evolving, and each season brings its own unique energy. Just as we adjust our wardrobes and activities with the changing seasons, our homes also benefit from a seasonal refresh. Spring, with its vibrant energy of growth and renewal, is the perfect time for a deep cleanse. By opening your windows and doors to allow fresh air in, and clearing out any stagnant energy that may have accumulated over the winter months. As the season begins to turn, and we transition into summer, fall then back winter, we can use this time to let go of what no longer serves us. Winter is a time for reflection and releasing, much like leaves of the trees. The dead leaves no longer serves, so they let go the leaves to allow new growth come back in for spring. Aligning our cleansing practices with the natural shifts of the seasons, we create a home that is in harmony with the natural world and reflects our own inner journey of growth and transformation. Chapter 5. Daily, weekly, monthly. Finding your cleansing ritual. Just like tidying, cleansing is a personal practice, and the ritual you choose to cleanse your home will vary depending on your needs and lifestyle. There's no right or wrong answer. It's about finding what feels right for you. For those who enjoy a daily dose of freshness, incorporating light cleansing practices, such as using incense or crystals, can be a beautiful way to maintain a sense of peace and harmony. Think of it as a small act of self-care for your home. A weekly cleanse, perhaps with a sage or Palo Santo ritual, allows for a deeper energetic reset. This can be especially helpful if you've had a particularly busy or stressful week and need to clear away any lingering negativity. And finally, a monthly cleanse, often aligned with the lunar cycle, offers an opportunity for a truly thorough energetic refresh. This is a time to delve deeper, clear out any persistent negativity, and set powerful intentions for the month ahead. Remember, cleansing your home should spark joy and create a sense of peace. Choose a ritual that feels right with your intuition and supports your overall well-being. Now that you know when to cleanse your space, you're ready to take action. Remember, cleansing is a personal journey, so listen to your intuition and choose what feels right for you and your home. In our next video, we'll talk about the tools you can use to make your cleanse more effective, from traditional methods like smudging to the power of crystals and sound. I can't wait to continue this journey with you as we explore ways to create homes that not only spark joy, but also become sanctuaries of peace, clarity, and positive energy. To see more videos like these, please hit like and subscribe. Namaste.